Alright guys, sorry for the delay. Had some stuff come up yesterday, but we're going to go ahead and do the Rockstar giveaway right now. So I'm going to get a couple of these, a couple of each one, throw them in an envelope, give them out to the winner. So I said all you had to do was comment on the Insta360 video. So I'm using a random name picker, which is miniwebtool.com. It's just the first one that comes up on Google. I've got the names in here of everybody that commented, and we're just going to hit pick random name and see who gets the Rockstar stickers. And the winner is Steve Dorsey. But guys, it's not over. Since I was a day late, I'm going to pick a second winner and send out a second stack of these. So let's see who our second winner will be. Congratulations, Steve. This is actually pretty fitting because I know Steve's been a subscriber since probably back in 16 or 17 when I started this whole channel. So appreciate that super. Let's see who the second winner is. Sanctuary Studio Scotland. Okay, they commented, and I'm not even sure if they were even interested in the stickers. So if you're watching this, Sanctuary Studio Scotland, message me on Facebook and or Instagram so I can get your shipping address. Steve, you know how to get a hold of me. I will give Sanctuary a couple days to get a hold of me, and if they're not interested in the stickers, or if they're located in Scotland and might be tough for me to get them there, then I'll pick another winner. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm going to be giving a bunch more away, so this is kind of going with my Insta360 playlist, so watch for those videos. I'll announce some more giveaways until these stickers are completely gone. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one.